South Africa were robbed. South Africa were cheated. South Africa were bamboozled. This match, you cannot explain how that penalty was not given to South Africa, because the ball hit his hand before his hand touched the ground. You cannot explain it. It is a robbery. This match was a robbery. It is armed robbery. That's what it is. And at the end of the day, we have to start calling out things the way they are. South Africa were cheated in this match. They should have gotten at least an opportunity to score that penalty and equalize against Egypt. But instead, they were not given the opportunity. The penalty was gone. I want the referee to take a mic and explain to us how that was not a penalty for South Africa, because it makes absolutely zero sense how that was not a penalty. It's a disgrace. It's disgraceful refereeing. It overshadows a lot of the good refereeing we have seen in this AFCON competition. It is horrible. It is horrendous. It is admissible. It is terrible. And at this point in time, we shouldn't be having this sort of crazy mistakes at the AFCON, especially with the impeccable referee we had last year at the AFCON. This was a disgrace. This was cheating. This was a robbery. And South Africans will feel hard done by.
Yo, andikho right tu le nto yenze Egypt bafana andikho right mna tu ingase ndifumane inyama yomgidi nditye ndodwa ndiphakelwe ndishini nditye ndodwa ndingaphazanyiswa mntu ndidobele ntlungu. Ndiyacela tana guys, uba ukhona umuntu enimaziyo nomgidi ndicela nimxelele uba ndimeme andiphakele inyama ndodwa ndifakele ndishini ndifuna uthoba le ntlungu andikho right tu.
Yo, where do I even begin? Where do I start? I'll start here. Hey, these North Africans can defend. These guys can defend. Throwing their bodies at everything they can defend. But we needed someone skillfully to unlock that defense. President 2000, where's that vase that you always do? I was expecting that vase run past one, someone tackles you penalty. That's what we were playing for. Now, secondly, let's get to the penalties. Mukwena's one handball. I don't know what a handball is. Guys, in football, I don't know what a handball is. I don't know when it applies, when it doesn't apply. I don't know. So I'm not going to say anything on that handball. But the one for Salah, the penalty for Salah, that's not a penalty. Probably one of the softest penalties I've ever seen. But it's typical Salah. It's like, how can I say this without getting out of hand? Okay, it's when the big player like Mohamed Salah goes down, because he's in English Premier League. He's got some sort of not aura, like, okay, I'll use the word aura. So when the way he goes down like that, something plays in the back of the minds of the VAR. Oh, Salah went down. Let's have a look at it. Oh, it hit his face. It must have been a hard penalty. It's not a penalty. Not a chance in hell is that a penalty. If I'm running and I flick your hand, it's not a penalty, man. Ish Marasala. But anyways, that's why the most important thing I said was, first game we must make sure we beat Angola and collect 3 points, because it gives us a buffer for this game. Win, lose, draw, doesn't matter. It gave us a buffer. We must just make sure next game against Zimbabwe is a must win. Even if, okay, I was gonna say draw, we can still qualify and get through, because that side, Egypt have to win. Egypt don't know what's going on, because the last game, Egypt, Angola, and South Africa, Zimbabwe are going to be at the same time, I assume. So no one knows what's going on the other end. So Egypt have to make sure they must win and finish with 9 points, because yes, they've got 1 foot in the door, but we play Zimbabwe. If we beat Zimbabwe 4-0 and Angola win that side, it gets tricky for Egypt. So it's still okay. It's not such a bad thing we lost this game, and it's not such a bad thing we played Egypt second. So yes, I'm disappointed we lost, but it's okay. It's an okay result. We can recover in the third game. We must make sure to recover in the third game. Yeah. Hey, it's a tough loss to take, but yeah, it is what it is. But Zimbabwe, we must.
Sonke sibonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Sonke sibonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ngesilo sichaza into eyiningi. Yabona unompempe mabangayehlola ama account akhe kunesamba esithile abangasithola. Angisho kodwa ukuthi ngithini. angisho kodwa ukuthi ngithini kodwa nje kunesamba esithile abangasithola. Daylight robbery ipenalty le ayixoxisi ke futhi le ipenalty le ngiyabezwa nje bayibala indaba yale rule yabo le ukuthi umzimba if is already rooted to the floor and ibhola likuthinta its natural position ayikho into ongayenza kodwa lo mfolo isandla sakhe besingakathinti phansi lo mfolo ipenalty le basrobile abafana balwile ayikho into abafana abangayenzanga ukuze bawine le game yabo ngisho noma ngabe sekuthiwa iEgypt ibina amadoda awu10 egroundini bebayi 11 ngonompempe shoot kahle kahle kwazange bathola ired card bebazoba 12 ngonompempe sirojiwe la yabona bafethu. This is what we call a generational talent. Lo malume lo iuncle leli, this guy pockets uSalah 90 minutes. Ayikho phela into uSalah yenzile ngaphandle kwaleya penalty. Umbukazi bese sifaka esikhwameni. Uma singayokhutha ikhwama zambukazi njengamanje singamfica uSalah lapha. Singamfica lapha uSalah. Umalume lo bafa. What a performance by this guy. Chicago Fire really got a gem. Mohamed Salah knows about this guy now. In fact, the whole of Africa knows about Mbegezeli, Mbogazi. We witnessed it. We were there. Salute to the brother. Yo, what a performance.
How is this not a penalty for South Africa? This should be a penalty for South Africa. Bafana. I'm gonna say it right here, right now. The referee literally called for a free kick. He saw the handball and then he looked at VAR and said, no, it's not a penalty. I still can't believe VAR looked at this for 10 minutes, the most clearest handball of all time, and they didn't give a penalty to South Africa. I love the AFCON, don't get me wrong, but I feel as if these referee and VAR decisions need to be more consistent, because this is a blatant handball. His arm is not in a natural position. It's in a position where he's clearly going to stop the ball from going anywhere with his hand. It's the most clearest handball. I don't even know what more could I say about this handball. Like, the referee even saw the handball. He blew the whistle and he gave South Africa a free kick, to then having a 10-15 minutes VAR room convo. It's the most clearest pen, man.
I'm sorry. We can't be losing games like that. We can't. I'm not even talking about them going down to 10 men. That's fine. The first half, how do you approach a game like that? How? What, do you just think Egypt is better than you? Nah, bro, they're not better than us, dog. It's not that technical, dog. Go out there, bro. Front foot forward. Go out there. Attack them. We go out there. Oh, no, we'll take whatever we can. No, bro. Build up was too slow. Now second half, they get the red card in the first half. Second half, we want to push. For what now? It's late, bro. These guys, they have nothing to play for. All they're doing is, hey, listen, if we can get a draw, we'll be happy. If we get a win, even better. Look, they got the win, bro. How, bro? This is like going into the club. You get with your homeboy Petros. You calling him Grootman. But you and Petros are going after the same girls. You drink the same bottles. You make the same money. Egypt is not better than us, bro. We can't keep on doing this stuff, bro. We're going to a World Cup soon. We want to go there, World Cup docile. They're not better than us, bro. Let's be honest. That team is not better than us, bro. There's no way, dog. We're quicker than the guys, but we're playing slow. Come on, man.
So full time, Egypt 1, South Africa 0. South Africa 0. Bafethu ngeke bafethu singalibalekeli nje iqiniso namhlanje. Asingalibalekeli nje iqiniso namhlanje. Bafethu azi video yami ekuseni ngeke ngayikhuluma lento. Hugo Bruce, yabona namhlanje approach yakhe iWest than le last game. Awukwazi bese approach game uzo defender wena. Awungeke. Bafethu singadlali ngathi. Bafethu uSithole, uMbatha, uMkwena. Wakwayizwaphi midfield enjalo wena? Lokwazalwa wakwayizwaphi lo midfield? Ibizokwenza lo midfield. Ibizo defend. And ubona uMkwena high kanje yana bafethu hayi coach senzile phansi ke namhlanje. Namhlanje senzile phansi. Yabona abadlali ngiyababona ne? Ngizokhuluma ngabo nabo manje. Kodwa ucoach approach yethu ibi better nje. Ibi better singalokhu sikufihla lokho. Lokhu defend umkhulu. Ibi better nje iapproach yethu namhlanje. Asi approach nje game manje nisifuna ukuwin. Xobo bafethu ngeke. yabona ilento engingakhuluma ngayo ekseni bafethu asingayinikeleni ko 1 point usifuna i-draw sizele i-draw iyabheda lo mindset iyabheda. Buka manje Egypt siqualifyile thina ube sisengale approach Egypt uthi sizofuna u3 points ngabe sesiqualifyile ngabe sesiready ngabe sesibona kule game yokugcina sesibona ucoach rotate squad lesabanye abadlali kodwa cha sesimele enze njani ucoach sekuzomela futhi afake isquad esiqinile futhi masisodlala uzothola nini ithuba oCampbell uzothola nini ithuba abanye abadlali ngoba phela kuyo sesiqualifyile namhlanje next game sesingadlala noma ngasiphi isquad kodwa cha ucoach wethu ustable and amasapho coach wethu ngeke coach Chaza ungitshela ukuthi sibheke half time labantu bane red card mabethola i red card wena uyabuya usa defensive na second half bafethu ngeke asingagangini la yabona nje bafethu half time hamba ushintsha kodwa nje bafethu i approach yethu ibi better nje approach yethu singakufihli lokho bafethu singakufihli lokho akunaso isithombe samdawu ngizosebenzisa lo 17 lo bafethu umdawu bafethu ngeke umdawu nawo usikhostile lapha isandla mfethu ebusweni isandla ebusweni cha mhlambe uyakwazi ukuphunyuka nayo la South Africa lonto kodwa nje bafethu le campaign bazosibamba kune VR lapha bazosibamba yabona nje mfethu ungixolele weModiba ngisebenzisa wena la akunaso isithombe samdawu kodwa bafethu ngeke umdawu ngeke udlalile ngathi umdawu akikhipha ipenalty kodwa ke nathi indaba leqala khona uyabona umbhobho masubheke kubona hayi cha iVR ayisasebenzeli thina bona bazile ugijima kweVR ngisho umdawu ekwejiwe la kodwa kwathiwa VR nangu uTebza Ngwane ushaya ishot wenza lamjisa number 6 ibhola lishaya isandla bafethu umthetho ngisho uReggie Mapensela ncathi simzwe sonke echaza leyanto umthetho uthi isandla if still phansi lishaya isibhola ayona ipenalty kodwa if isandla sisanyakaza because besanyaza isandla siya phansi lashaya isandla ipenalty lo ncathi sonke simzwile Mapensela echaza leyanto ncathi sonke simzwile mina understand ukuthi why akethu uqala uyalinda yini oyilindayo ngoba phela ipenalty uhamba ucheck ipenalty ubuye uthi akuyona ipenalty qhubeka isikhathi kumiwe lapha mfethu mhlambe like 6 minutes kumiwe ungenziwa lutho selokethi wenza njani uyakwiphi bafethu ipenalty inside the box lapha ipenalty leyana hayi bafethu yabona nje kudlaliwe ngathi la kodwa bafethu ma South Africans head up semele sekule game eZimbabwe ne approach right this time umkhulu angadlali ngathi this time around bafethu ngeke
okay bafethu that's it for video namhlanje mina all I can say ukuthi ngiyavumelana with the last guy with what he's saying approach to ngegame eTangola okay maybe the approach was ingekho bad but besidlala kabi I was not convinced. I was like this is not the Bafana we know. Then coming into game namhlanje I was like why udlala ama CDM o3 Egypt impethu ayikho ngcono kunathi mfethu Egypt has never been a problem. Ama team ase North Africa they are not a problem against us. Because get ball sabashaya, skills sabashaya. Bona abashaya mhlawumbe nge physicality. No ukuthi bana ma good antics like they just know how to manipulate a game, yabo. Ukuthi game be in their favor. But abasihluli ngebhola bra. There was no need ukuthi ufake uMbatha, uSithole and who's the Umkwena. There was no need bra. Namhlanje ubesimdinga kumbule namhlanje. Ngifaka in the second half. Okay, sure. And I'm not even claiming coach. I'm not coach, bro. It's a loss, but ngibonile ukuthi like we're still good, bro. Because let's improve upon. Anything for no Yoshua foot. Umkwana noNkotha. Those guys are not ready for Bafana. Ningangizwa ka. Unkotha noMukwana are not ready for Bafana bafethu. You can't sub Umrem ufake Umkwana. Those are literally the same players. Because phela ufake Umrem because ufuna ukuthi dlala ama long balls skitching behind them because une pace. But my keeper Umrem ufaka Umkwana while Egypt is literally sitting. Uthi Umkwana gijima yebo because phela maya gijima ibhola uzophuma nalo. Mo keeper like ucoach bemele nje bethi akhiphe Umremi afakwa police mhlambe abone ukuthi lapha 10 ufaka bani but nje police nomfuke kumele babe khona bo-2 at the same time because they are creative players asidinga abantu abafast because Egypt is sitting at the back abas-attack anymore. We don't need fast players esobashaya on the break. Sidinga creative players mfukeng a police with Umbule simple bra. Umkwana Oh, okay, but it's a loss. I'm not taking it well. But yeah, I believe what we could have done better. There was no need to take him approach and Egypt. The last time we faced Egypt, Sabashaya, in this 2 sayo manje. We've been beating in Morocco all these years. He says we my slab when we're playing against Egypt because even Egypt is not better than Morocco. But it's like okay, you understand what people are but we don't need to play defensive football against Egypt. Egypt, no more Salah who's washed. The only player who tried to Mamouche. And I knew having Dao there, Mamouche against the Luto. And any interface we need to Umvala back before World Cup. I don't know what happened to Umvala, but we need Umvala at the back. In the Bangenzana, even though Agazanga mistake, he had a decent game, but I still need Umvala at the back with Umbogazi. Imagine having Umbogazi, Umvala, Umdao, and then on the left back, na corner sting who's defensive because Udibatiba is more of offensive. Attack. He's not good at defending. Sting and any left back who's gonna defend and also attack. Yeah, that's all I can say for them trying to thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Road to 5K subscribers or maybe 10K. Yeah, that's all I can say. And thank you for tuning in. Against Zimbabwe. Hopefully we win. And it's not gonna be an easy game because last time we played them, they showed we will do anything to spoil the party South Africa. Those guys that don't like us. As if